School before Bethel was one size fits all. We found ourselves hoping for something new, something different that would celebrate his differences. And they wouldn't be necessarily a problem, but an opportunity. A place where he actually belongs. I knew Amy, the director at Bethel, from years ago. I said, hey, I'm just gonna drive up and just say hi, never dreaming he would end up there. Nothing I said to them about some of his challenges, nothing seemed to faze them. I came back and I said, Brian, guess what? I think there might be a place for a boy. Sometimes I would just look at them and they would say, just for a minute, we love you, we love your boy, and we're glad he's here. We got this. I say, okay, with tears sometimes. Bethel takes time to look at the whole learner. They have an individual learning plan for each student. And that's a beautiful thing because what it does is it says, all of you are valuable.
What we consider problems in our normal school is not a problem because they're finding solutions.
He's making progress and he's having fun in the midst of it and he's being challenged. They believe in him. Bethel not only rescued our boy, but they rescued the mom at the same time because I drive up knowing that he's going to a place where they're excited that he's there. I know that my son has hope for his future. They will go after it. Whatever it looks like, how different it may be, they're gonna go after it. And they say, hey, we believe in you.
Thank you for giving us hope.
Absolutely.
Believing in our son.
Thank you for loving our boy.
Yeah.
They do, they love him.